Today I'm going to do a little tutorial that's going to show how to make your own gummy bears, which are a lot healthier than all the chemicals that are in the store-bought ones. So let's get started. Hey guys, today I'm going to make some homemade gummy bears. I thought that I would show a video on how I'm doing this. I got this really cool mold. I think it's called the Modern Gummy on Amazon. And what's really nice is it comes with this dropper. I bought the unflavored gelatin. I also got that at Amazon as well. And I didn't have much to sweeten my gummies with, so I'm using a juice box of my son's. And let's see what else. I'll put all the directions in the description box below so that you can go from that. And I also forgot to pull out my agave. There it is. I think just a couple tablespoons of agave to sweeten the gummy bears should do the trick. So we're going to put 1/3 cup of orange juice and 2 tablespoons of agave in a saucepan and set it on low until it starts to get warm like this. Next, you're going to pour in 3 tablespoons of the gelatin. And then just take your spoon and mix it up. Pop the gummy bears in the freezer and set a timer for 10 minutes. Now the fun part, let's take them out and see how they turned out. Well, eating them is the most fun part. Look at that, aren't they cute? So all you gotta do is just pop all of those out of the mold. Gelatin is really good for your hair and your nails. It's good to reduce wrinkles, cellulite. It has like a gazillion health benefits, but it's very important to get a quality gelatin, not just the supermarket brand. It makes a big difference. And they are all done. So you can use different types of fruit juices. I've also done this with Simply Juice fruit punch, and they're really good too. You could add, I guess you could add some food coloring if you wanted, but it really isn't needed. They're really pretty color right there. So if you like this video, please comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.